everyone, and welcome back to our course English Communication for the Tech World. In previous lecture, we discussed the concept of communication, its key elements in different types of communication such as verbal, non-verbal, and real communication. Today, we are going to focus on a very important concept, especially for students and professionals working in the technology and engineering fields, and that is technical writing. So, let us begin with simple question: what exactly is technical writing? Technical writing is the process of creating documents that explain complex technical information in a clear, concise, and easy to understand way. In many technical fields such as computer science, engineering, data science, and information technology, professionals work with complex systems, algorithms, and technologies. However, not everyone who reads their work has the same technical knowledge. Therefore, technical writing plays a very important role because it bridges the gap between technical expert and non-technical audience. In other words, technical writing helps transform complicated ideas into clear, structured, and reader friendly information. For example, imagine a software developer who creates a new mobile application. The developer understands the code and system very well. But users or clients may not understand programming languages or technical details. Through technical writing, the developer can create user manuals, documentation, or guides that explain how the system works in a way that anyone can understand. This is why technical writing is considered one of the most important professional communication skills in modern tech world. Now, let us discuss the purpose of technical writing. So, technical writing is not just about writing information, it is written with a specific goal or purpose in mind. There are four major purposes of technical writing. The first purpose is to inform. Informing means providing information or explaining something clearly. For example, if you have developed an artificial intelligence model, you might write a report explaining how the model works, what data was used, and how accurate the results are. In this case, the purpose of the report is to inform readers about the performance and details of your system. The second purpose is to persuade. Sometimes technical writing is used to convince others that a particular idea, project, or technology is valuable and worth supporting. For example, if you are applying for a research funding, you may need to understand a you may need to persuade a funding organization that your project is useful, efficient, and worth investing in. Your technical proposal should clearly explain the benefits of your system and why it deserves support. The third purpose is to recommend. Technical writers often suggest improvements, solutions, or further and we can say future developments. For instance, after completing a research project, You might recommend new features, better algorithms, or further research opportunities. Recommendations help organizations make better decisions about the next steps. The fourth purpose is to record. Technical writing is also used to document processes, experiments, and results so that others can understand and repeat the work. For example, researchers document their experiment usually and very carefully so that other scientists can replicate the experiment and verify the results. Poor documentation ensures transparency and proper documentation ensures transparency and reliability in technical work. Now, let us look at a practical example to better understand these purpose. Imagine that you and your group developed an automated attendance system using facial recognition technology. When writing a report about this project, your document may have several goals. First, you may want to inform your supervisor about how the system works and how accurately the facial recognition model is. Second, you might want to persuade the university administration that this system could be implemented across the campus to improve attendance tracking. Third, you could recommend future improvements such as improving the system's performance under low lighting conditions or increasing recognition accuracy. In this way, one technical report can serve multiple purposes at the same time. Now that we have understand the purposes of technical writing, let us move to another important aspect which is the features of effective technical writing. So, good technical writing is not just about explaining information, it must follow certain principles to ensure that readers can easily understand the content. The first feature is clarity. Clarity means using simple, direct, and understandable language. Technical writers should avoid confusing sentences, vague expressions, or unnecessary complexity. For example, instead of writing long and complicated sentences, it is better to write short and clear statements. When readers can easily understand the message, the communication becomes effective. The second feature is accuracy. Accuracy means presenting correct facts, data, and technical details. Technical writing must always be precise and reliable. Incorrect information can lead to serious problems, especially in technical and scientific fields. For example, if a report includes incorrect measurements, calculations, or instructions, it could cause system failure or misunderstandings. Therefore, technical report must always verify their data and ensure that their information is accurate. The third feature is conciseness. Conciseness means expressing ideas using as few words as necessary without losing meaning. In technical writing, unnecessary words or lengthy explanations should be avoided. Readers usually prefer information that is brief, clear, and to the point. For example, instead of writing a long paragraph explaining a simple step, a technical writer might use a short sentence or bullet point. The fourth feature is objectivity. Objectivity means focusing on facts rather than personal opinions, or emotions. Technical writing should be neutral and professional. For example, instead of writing, I believe this system is the best, a technical writer should present data and evidence that demonstrate the system's performance. Facts and evidence make technical writing more credible and trustworthy. The fifth feature is structure. A well organized document is much easier to read and understand. Technical documents usually include headings, subheadings, bullet points, numbered list, and clear sections. This structure helps readers quickly locate the information they need. For example, a project report may include sections such as introduction, methodology, results, discussion, and conclusion. The sixth and the final feature is the use of visual aids. Visual aids include graphs, charts, tables, and illustrations. These visuals help readers understand complex information quickly. For example, a flow chart can explain the steps of a process much more clearly than a long paragraph of text. Similarly, charts and graphs are very useful for presenting data and comparisons. In technical communication, visual elements often make documents more effective and engaging. So, let us summarize our today's lecture that technical writing is the process of explaining complex technical information in a clear, concise, and structured manner. We have seen some of the main purposes of technical report writing. We have also talked about some of the very essential key features of technical writing. So, in the next lecture, we will continue exploring communication skills that are essential for professionals in the tech world. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture.